Push it in, hook it up and turn it upside down again. Pull it out, hook it up and pull it out. Right, land.
It's okay, he's trying
Holy
to
mackerel.
he's trying to get it, Grandpa.
Oh, it's ready, it's ready. It's ready. We'll pull it out, okay?
Pull it out, then. Put it on the center. That is the wrong one, but that's okay. All right, give it to me right here. Okay, just a minute. Oh, that's enough. That's enough.
Just like that?
Yeah, put it on the center. That's enough. Okay, the center.
Hit it, right?
Yeah, hit it. Hey, you hit the pipe.
I am.
What? Hit the pipe. Hold it.
Wait.
Hold it. Okay, a little bit more. Hold it. Okay, close close that one. Close. Hit it there. On the side, Michael, on the side.
Mano,
I don't.
Here? Go. Hit it. Okay.
Hold it. Turn it. Okay, good. Shoot again. Hold it. Close. More? Okay, all right. Shoot, but it will. Hey, hit the pipe.
I'm sorry.
Hold it.
Wait, basta. Oh.
Hold it. Sa kalamalang.
Heat it up.
Move it up. Yeah, we have to get it.
More cool.
One more time. Let me see that. Supposed to be the other side.